Big things are coming, guys, to Solana as well as XRP. As you guys can see clear as day here, there is a massive, and I mean massive, bull flag forming here on XRP, and at some point or another, we are going to be seeing this breach. And if history does repeat itself as it has consistently on XRP, we should be seeing a very sizable breakout, as this is the 5th bull flag forming here on XRP. Not only that, we're also going to be looking at Solana, a cryptocurrency we have just recently added to our technical analysis here. And this is another cryptocurrency that is also sizing up for a very sizable breakout in the very near future, as it is not just XRP forming bull flag formations here, it is also Solana forming another bull flag formation here, which I'm excited to go over and discuss with you in today's episode. So if you guys want to see when this breakout is going to come, how high we could potentially be moving to, and when to buy in, and if it's not too late, then definitely stick around, as we are going to be going in depth about this in today's episode. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, I want to make a quick brief update for you, as I've been giving it a lot of thought as to where I want to take this channel here in regards to kind of just spending more time focusing on these cryptocurrencies, because I am very, very, very excited for what's to come in 2024. We have the Bitcoin halving, we have potential Bitcoin ETFs, and a lot of other things that are coming to cryptocurrency this year, as well as into next year. I believe we are kind of due for the bull run for another year or so, which is very exciting. We've waited out the bear market, we've waited out the consolidative market, and we should be entering a bull market very soon. So what I've decided to do, and bear with me, I know you guys reacted really well to the Solana video that I put out a couple of days ago, almost like a dedicated Solana video. But what I want to do now, moving forward, is kind of make 2 separate videos every day, basically talking about, a morning video, as we typically do, XRP Ripple, and then what I'm going to do beyond that is talk about Bitcoin later on in the afternoon. So 2 separate videos. We're going to have a dedicated XRP with some altcoins, and then a dedicated Bitcoin in the afternoon with some altcoins. So for example, this morning, today's video that I'm talking about now, we're going to be doing XRP as well as Solana. And if you guys have another cryptocurrency you want me to add to the markets, feel free to let me know down in the comments below. And then what we're going to do is in the afternoon, we'll be doing a Bitcoin and Ethereum cryptocurrency technical analysis, and then maybe we'll throw in another third cryptocurrency here, and then we'll be touching upon the S&P 500 in both the morning and afternoon episodes. This is just a way to go more in depth on some of these cryptocurrencies that I'm sure a lot of you guys want to see, as I'm excited to see what's coming for crypto this year, and hopefully that makes sense to you guys. So let me know your thoughts on this down in the comments below. But with all of that being said, let's dive into the technical analysis. So guys, as you can see, specifically on these cryptocurrencies, we've been tracking some very interesting and peculiar movements. Specifically, it has been bull flags forming on not only XRP, but also on Solana, and that's what we have to go in depth about in today's episode. As you guys know, for those that maybe those that don't know, you're new to crypto or trying to figure this out, typically bull flags have a formation where we have a flag pole followed by some sort of descending fractal here, and then it's continued into a breakout even bigger, and typically that breakout happens after we breach through the top price ceiling. Simply put, here we have a flag pole. It's usually a very solid uptrend that is then it is then stopped, it halts into a correction, and then there's a breakout with a continued break to the upside here. And typically, the break to the upside is the length of the pole as the original pole was in the beginning here. That's typically how they reference things. You can see here Binance, for reference, has a bull flag, the flag pole. This is the flag itself, and then the breakout is the size of the flag pole here. So you can see, if we jump to XRP right now, what exactly is forming here. We've pretty much been tracking a massive bull flag formation on XRP for quite some time now. Now, obviously, we can't just track and get the descending fractal perfect the first couple of days in. It's impossible. We have to allow the markets to consolidate more for us to get a better understanding of where crypto is moving and where XRP is moving. And then we can slowly start to tweak the charts to, kind of form, or we can tweak the charts around the current price movement here. And you can see slowly over time, we've tweaked the top resistance to include the market right now. And then we've recently, a lot of times been tweaking this bottom support to include the break breaks and the swings to the downside here, and I'm pretty sure we have it on par right now. As you guys know, XRP has had a thing for bull flags. It's not the first time we've seen bull flags forming on XRP. It's been a consistent trend on XRP, believe it or not, here. And as you guys can see, we have a beautiful uptrend here, followed by a correction to the downside. This was kind of the first reference to XRP liking bull flag movements here within 2023. It was the start. It was literally January 5th here. So all of January, we started to form a bull flag. You can see where we've been tracking this. Here's 1, here's 2, here's 3. Then we had a 4th bull flag, a little bit messy, but a bull flag nonetheless. And then we're clearly forming a 5th bull flag here. And while all this was happening, we've drawn on the weekly charts here an uptrend, a very solid one at that. Now, the reason I believe we've hit bottom on XRP, which is very exciting, is we have here a very large weekly moving average in green and in red here. Although it's lopsided, we'd like to see this the other way around. What's actually happening is if we zoom in, you can clearly tell that XRP is hitting its support right now. We have a very solid support here, trading lower than 50 on the RSI, but also bottoming off this support level right here. And ideally, we should be able to use this momentum to rebound off of here. And that's typically what we're starting to see within this reversal doji candle forming right now. Beyond that, if I zoom out here, and hopefully that holds, you can see we're nearing oversold. We've just recently rebounded off 30 on the RSI, coming back down to retest it again. But nonetheless, we've not only done that, we've also played out an Elliott wave here where we have 5 kind of bands right here that have completed itself. And typically after the 5th, it ends in a reversal to the upside here. And what we're looking for is, as it showed before, the flag pole is typically the size of the breakout, which could send us up to a total of 78 cents, which is pretty solid. I truly believe we're going to see a possible 40% rally coming for XRP very soon. And I'm excited, and hopefully you guys are excited too. And that's pretty much what we're paying attention to right now. Now, obviously, we make daily videos on XRP every day, so a lot of this is repetitive, but it's for those that haven't seen these videos in the past here. And what we're seeing is almost a completion of the XRP chart here. Now, obviously, we could take advantage of the XRP trade when that breakout does come on BidFi, which is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you'd want offered on an exchange is offered on BidFi, which is, it's just awesome. It's an all-around great exchange. So the best part is they not only offer a welcome reward sign-up bonus, but they have a demo account, which allows you to test my trades and your skills on the account completely free. They have copy trading and so much other stuff here. But you can see you can earn over $2,000 completely free by signing up with the link down in the description below, which is really freaking cool, a free cryptocurrency. They even have right here a BidFi demo account. As you guys can see here, they have, where is it? Let me scroll down. You can see here $50,000 in Monopoly money to test your skills completely free. They have Bitcoin to leverage trade, Doge, Ethereum, Litecoin, Solana, XRP, all the major cryptos that we pretty much pay attention to here. And you can literally click over to XRP, leveraging trading on XRP on BidFi here, getting familiar with the platform, learning it. If you can get a few consecutive trades in a row, then you can switch over to using real cryptocurrency, which is really cool. Anyways, going back into here, the main focal point and the takeaway of today's video is we need to confirm breakout above this resistance here. The yellow downtrend is what's at play here. And once we can break through this yellow resistance, that's the opportunity to buy in and long. That's what we're waiting for patiently here. So once that happens, then we can take advantage of XRP and long it to the upside conservatively. For those that maybe are more moderate or aggressive, there's a very big chance we could be bottoming off this support soon and retesting this. Maybe correction, maybe not, but nonetheless, a swing up to the upside here is truly what we're looking for next to come within XRP. So I'm excited to see what's going to happen next. Hopefully you guys are too, but we're also going to be talking about Solana, another cryptocurrency that we haven't forgotten about here. As you guys can see, it's not just XRP that's forming this kind of bull flag formation. It's literally identical to the Solana movement too, and I'm excited to see where this decides to take us. Now, we've been tracking this just a couple of days ago, and things have been actually prevailing very well. Now, for trades on Solana, it's definitely more of an aggressive trade because we're looking at things on the 4-hour charts, which is much more in-depth. But you can see if we jump to the daily here, we've actually taken away, and this is Solana on the Coinbase US dollar conversion here, we've been tracking a beautiful uptrend. So if this uptrend is broken, we'll be able to short. But for the time being, we've actually been using it very successfully as a means of support here. We actually got sandwiched within this beautiful ascending triangle here, and broke the lid off of it and exploded. A very easy, simple buy-in opportunity to long to the upside here. And it is very possible that same thing can happen once we breach this price ceiling right here. It'll be a very easy long to the upside here, which we'll take advantage of very simply on BidFi as well, which you guys will be able to reference here. So keep your eyes peeled on the Solana charts. If this resistance gets broken right here, then we can buy in and long to the upside once we can confirm this resistance on the top ceiling here. And it'll be very easy too, because we can do this on the daily charts. This is a clear bull flag forming here, a clear flag pull, a downtrend. So once we can confirm resistance and break through it, that'll be that opportunity to buy in and long to the upside. But I guess we'll talk about the S&P a bit more maybe in the afternoon, because we kind of are running out of time, and I know you guys like to have 10, 11-minute videos, but I guess we'll talk about the S&P 500 later on in the day. So if you want to stick around for that episode, wait for the afternoon video. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you later on in today's video, or I'll see you later on in the day. Peace.